Question number 1. What is the x-coordinate of the origin? The the coordinate of the origin is 0. If we take this line and this line, so this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. Rectangular coordinate system is represented by x and y-axis with the center as a 0. So the origin is 0. Question number 2. So we need to plot a couple of points. Question number 2. We need to plot, let's say, j, -2 and 2.5. Next, L, 7 and -4, N, 3 and 2, and K, 6 and 0, M, 0 and -2, and P, -5 and 5. Okay. Let's plot every single one of them. So what we have is the center of its origin, 0, is break down negative axis from positive axis, right? So same way is y. It starts with negative, move with positive. So here is positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? -1, 2, -3, 4, 5, -6, 1, 2, 3, positive, 4, 5, 6, and -1, 2, 3, -3, 4, 5, -6. Okay, so first one, 2, and first of all, when we put coordinates, let's say 3 and 5, so the first coordinate always represent x, second one is y. If you switch by mistake, mess it up and put 5 and 3, it's going to take you somewhere else because x will become 5, y will become 3. Let me show you. X is 3, y is 5. So if I have x is 3 and y is 5, right? Now I messed up. I got x is 5. Here is 5, and y is gonna be 3. See, moved somewhere else. It's completely different place. Imagine when UPS is delivering sometimes from one house, instead of delivering to one house, they deliver to another house because they messed up the address. Same way is here. So we need to remember, first term always comes x, second term always comes y. So, keeping that in mind, let's start building. First one, j, -2, so x is going to be -2, and y is going to be 2.5. This is y, 2.5, and this is -2. This is our j. Okay. Next, let me change the colors here so we can better identify. Okay, +7, x is +7 here, and y is -4 here. This is our L. Next one, N is green, x is 3, y is 2. This is our n. Our k, oops, six and 0, so this is my 6, and y is 0, I don't go anywhere, so this is my the k. Next, what color do we have? Let me pick some interesting color. Okay, I'm picking this one. So M, did I? Okay, M, x is 0 and y is negative 2. So we are coming here, 0, x is 0 and y come down, negative 2. Here it is. This is our letter M. Okay. I don't know if I did the right thing to pick up this color. Shows messy. Okay. And the last one, let me see. I'm taking this green. Negative 5 and 5. Let me take purple. Okay, negative 5, x is negative 5, and y is positive 5. And this is our P. Okay? Moving to question number 3. Now we are given the points. We just need to identify them. Okay, let's say we are given this one, this x, a y, and this is our x. So plus minus, this is 0, this is minus, this is plus, this is y, this is x. Let me start with black color. I have this point. So this is 1 and 2, negative 1, negative 2. And this is 1 and positive 2. So I have letter R. The coordinate for letter R is negative 2, x is negative 2, and y is positive 2. Next, I am picking green color. S is gonna be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and a half, let's say. And this is 2, 3, 4. So letter S has, this is 3 and a half, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is 4. Okay. Next, we have 3, 4, 5. This is negative 5, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5. No, okay, let me take negative 6. And my point is here. And this is letter T. My letter T is going to be, first coordinate is x, negative 5. Second coordinate is y, negative 6. And lastly, we take in this quadrant here, it's going to be this one and this. So 3, 4, 5, this is 6, and this is 1 and negative 2. So we have, okay, I did the wrong thing. I should take this color. Okay, letter V. Our letter V is x is 6, y is negative 2. Question number 4. Okay. So question number 4 is gonna be very similar to numbers the 3. So you can do it the same way. Points are given. We need to identify C number 3. Same way. Okay. Number 5. We are given number of DVDs shipped in thousands, and it's since 2008. That means this is 2008, this is 2009, 2010, and so on, all the way till 2015. So we need to build a graph. What we are doing, taking 0, 850, so here is our x0, and 850 is coming here, right? Next, 1 and 800. Here is our 1, we're moving up, and we got 800. Next, 3 and 700, we are taking, no, 2 and 850, okay. 2 and coming 850, and so on. So the question is, what trend are appeared from the plotted data? So what trend is appeared? It's appeared that it's decreasing, right? Decreasing over between 2008 and 2015, right? And the only exception happened when? At this point, right? When it was a slight increase, which is, this is, where is it? X is equal to, the X is equal to is year 2010. In 2010, slight increase. Okay. Question number 6. What do we have? Decide if ordered pair 4 and 0 is a solution for equation 5x plus y is equal 8. 5x plus y is equal 8. How we are going to decide? So since we have coordinate, that means this is our x, this is our y, right? So I'm going to plug x as a 4 and y times 0. I mean, instead of y, I put 0. Equal 8, right? So what do we get? 20 is equal 8? No, it's not the answer. So coordinate 4 and 0 do not belong to this equation. Question number 7. We have equation 2x minus y is equal 7. And we need to identify if coordinates 3 and negative 1 belong to this equation. So we take x as a 3, right? First number is 3 in coordinate, and y is negative 1, right? So let me color it so we know this is, okay. And let me see if we get 7. So 6 minus negative 1 plus 1 equals 7. So it is yes, belongs, this answer belongs to the ordered pair belongs to equation number 8. We need to solve for y. So we have y minus 1 is equal negative 6 over 7x. Okay, y is equal negative 6 over 7x, and this one moving to this side, right? And flip the sign. It was negative, will become positive. Okay, and we have it. So this, and then this is A case, and for B case, since we have equation for y, so if we have our x is equal 14, how much will be our y? Let's see. Y is equal negative 6 over 7. We multiply by 14, right? Replacing x with 14, and plus 1. So here it's going to be 1 and 2. Okay? So this is going to be equal. Excuse me. Negative 6 times 2 is negative 12 plus 1. And we are getting negative 11. So the answer here is going to be negative 11. All right. Question number 9. Solve equation for y. 5x plus y is equal 16. So y from here is going to be equal negative 5x plus 16. We move this over equal sign and we flip the sign, right? Negative 5x plus 16. Also, if the pair of coordinate x is given free, how much will be equal our y? So let's see, y is equal negative 5 times x is free, right? And plus 16. So y is going to be equal negative 15 plus 16 is equal 1. So we're writing down 1. Question number 10. We need to find the missing coordinates. Okay, if y is equal 8x plus 2, then if my the coordinate is 0, then y it's going to be what? Y is equal 8 times 0 and plus 2, right? 8 times 0 is 2, is 0, and we have left 2. Right? Next one, next coordinate, we have 5, and we need to find it. Y, how much will be? 8 times 5 plus 2, and it's going to be 42. Question number 11. So 3x minus 2y is equal 4. Same way, negative 2 is given, we need to find y. So since we need to find y, what I'm going to do, actually I don't have to go, yeah, no, okay, let's find y. So I'm moving 2y on the right side. 3x minus 4 is equal positive 2y. And since I need only y, I'm dividing by 2 because I need y, right? And everything here divide by 2. And I'm getting 3 over 2x and minus 2 is equal y. Or let me rewrite. Y is equal 3 over 2x minus 2. Okay, so let's plug. Y is equal 3 over 2 times negative 2, right? And minus 2. So this is going to be 3 over 2 times, well, let's put negative sign in front, right? Put here in front, negative sign. Here will be only 2. and minus 2. This 2 and 2 is gone. We are getting negative 3 and negative 2. It's going to be negative 5. Next, we have, now next we have what? Okay, we need to find x. Our y is equal 1. All right, so but let's find x. We have 3x minus 2y is equal 4. My 3x is equal positive 2y plus 4, right? I moved to y on this side, yes? And I need to divide by 3 because I need x. So my x is equal 2/3 of y and plus 4 over 3. Okay, so from here x is equal 2/3. My y is 1, right? Times 1 and plus 4/3. Denominator is the same. That means I'm adding 4 plus 2 is 6. Divided by 3 is 2. So plugging in the position of x, these 2. And the last question, number 12. So again, we need to find the missing coordinate. Okay, let me do this one also. We have y minus 1 is equal 2/5 x. So we need to find 5. Here we need to find y. And also we need to find x. Y is 3/5. Let's work on it. So for y, it's going to be equal 2/5 of x plus 1, right? Okay, let me move this. So this is going to be y is equal 2/5. I'm multiplying by 5, right? When you multiply by 5, it's the same thing. Multiply 5 over 1. Therefore, plus 1. So this 5 is gone with this 5. And y is equal 3. Okay? So writing down here 3. Next, we need to find x because y is given 3/5. So y, so what I'm going to, okay, y minus 1 is equal 2/5 of x. So let me rewrite equal y minus 1. It's no difference. Okay, since I have division by 5, so I need to bring two common denominator. So denominator is going to be 5 across the equation. Okay, since you haven't learned it yet, let me go easier way. All right, we divide by 2/5. We divide by 2/5. We divide by 2/5. Yes? Or I'll show you both ways and you decide. I think we did it already, but anyway, we do both ways. It doesn't matter. So this is, we can cancel, and then what do we get? X is equal y divided by 2 over 5. It's equal 5 over 2y. Negative 1 divided by 2 over 5, it's going to be 5 over 2y, because when we divide the second fraction, we flip it. Yes? Okay. So from here, we need to plug the value of our y, 3/5. 5 over 2 times 3/5 and minus 5 over 2. 5 and 5 is gone, and we have 3 minus 5 is going to be, so let me write down, x is equal 3 over 2 minus 5 over 2. It's going to be negative 2 over 2, which is 1, negative 1, right? Okay, we are done.